Welcome to ASH Biochemist Coaching Center. In this class, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids on the basis of metabolic role. According to the metabolic role, amino acids are divided into three groups: glycogenic amino acids, ketogenic amino acids, glycoketogenic amino acids. In previous classes, we have discussed about the classification of amino acids on the basis of nutritional value, and second, classification of amino acid on the basis of R group and polarity. And in this class, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids on the basis of metabolic role. First of all, I want to clear your concept that what is the importance of these three groups of amino acids in our body and why they are needed. After that, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids on the basis of metabolic role. You know very well that in our body liver is present, which is a very large gland of our body according to the functions. It is also known as very important factory of our body, which performs vast and very important functions within our body. Among them, one function is conversion of the molecules into other molecules, such as glucose is converted into the amino acids, and amino acids are converted into the glucose, and amino acids are converted into the lipids. And also know that our body consume carbohydrate, it means glucose. You know very well that fuel of our body is glucose. So, and you also know that our body consume carbohydrate in the form of glucose for the fuel source because we need to energy, and for getting energy the body use glucose. So glucose is available in our body and in blood every time. But sometime deficiency, it means there is no glucose in our blood and body, then what will happen? And you know that our brain consume 90% glucose. So deficiency of glucose inactive our body and brain. After that we will leave the world. So for the maintenance of glucose level at that time, liver convert some amino acids into the glucose. So deficiency of glucose is very dangerous for us. For saving that dangerous condition, liver convert some amino acids into the glucose and fatty acid into the glucose. That is a very important functions of our liver, which maintain our glucose level. So let's start to know that which amino acids convert into the glucose and which amino acids convert into the lipid and which amino acids are those which convert into the glucose as well as lipid. Here Glycogenic amino acids are those amino acids which are converted into the glucose, and ketogenic amino acids are those amino acids which convert into the lipids, and glycoketogenic amino acids are those amino acids which take part in the formation of glucose as well as lipid. So first of all, we will talk about the glycogenic amino acids. Glycogenic amino acids. These amino acids are those amino acids which convert into the glucose by the process of glycogenesis. It means these amino acids convert into the glucose at the time of deficiency of glucose level in our body, and they are methionine, aspartate, isoleucine, glycine, and alanine. These amino acids are glycogenic amino acids. Ketogenic amino acids. These amino acids convert into the lipids when lipid is negligible. And they are two in number, leucine and lysine. These two amino acids take part in the formation of lipid. And last one is glycoketogenic amino acids. These amino acids are very special amino acids which keep dual nature. It means they may be converted into the glucose and they may be converted into the lipid. It depends upon the condition. And they are tryptophan, alanine, tyrosine, and phenylalanine. So these amino acids are very special amino acids in our body which are converted into the glucose as well as lipid. So that was about the classification of amino acids on the basis of metabolic role. Thank you friends for watching SH Biochemist Coaching Center. For new updates, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press on the bell icon and share with your friends.